Today we're going to sketch a quadratic graph. Y equals x squared plus 6x plus 8. Let's begin. Firstly, we want to find some key values here. So when x equals 0, at x equals 0, y equals x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0 plus 0 plus 8. So y equals 8. That's my first point, 0, 8. When y equals 0, 0 equals x squared plus 6x plus 8. There are a number of ways we can solve this. The first thing we look for, though, is does it factorise? And I can see for this one that it does. Equals x plus 2, x plus 4. Let's just check that. X squared plus 4x plus 2x, well, that's plus 6x plus 8. So when y equals 0, well, x equals minus 2, because the first bracket would have to be 0, or x equals negative 4, because the second one would have to equal 0. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. That means I've got two more points. Points negative 2, 0, and the point negative 4, 0. I can find one more point now. I want to find the low point on this graph. It's a quadratic graph. That means I know it's symmetrical. If I know it's symmetrical, then if I've got the point negative 2, 0 and the point negative 4, 0, the low point of the graph is the middle of those 2 points. And I can see straight away that's negative 3. If I can't see it straight away, then I add the 2 up, negative 2 plus negative 4, which is negative 6, and divide it by 2, which is negative 3. So I know low point x equals negative 3, y equals, well, put it into that equation, negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 8 equals, that's 9 minus 18 plus 8, which equals 9 minus 18 is minus 9, plus 8 is minus 1, or negative. So my low point, negative 3, negative 1. And that's all I need to sketch this graph. I've got a low point at negative 3. It only goes as far down as negative 1. So the graph mostly is going to be above the x-axis. It crosses at negative 2 and negative 4. So I want a bit more of the negative axis than the positive axis. And it's going to cross the y-axis at 8. So I know I need to go up to at least 8 on the y-axis. And as a sketch, it's only a sketch, so we don't need very much detail. Don't even need a ruler here. I want negative 2, 0, so something that's clearly negative 2, 0. So I think we'll stick with the squares on the page here. Negative 2, 0. Negative 4, 0. If that's negative 2, then that's negative 4. Negative 4, 0. The low point is negative 3, negative 1. The sort of scale I'm working with here, yeah, I can fit that down as being this far down, for negative 3, negative 1. Then we're looking for the point 0, 8, 0, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's fine. 0, 8. And my symmetry says if that's 0, 8, I go 2 to the side of -4, then that's going to be -6, 8. That's enough. Let's sketch. And don't aim at the point at the bottom. Aim to the side of it so I can curve and then come up again. Curve and then come up again. And I want to be smoothly coming up to here. I want to do just one continuous line. I think I'll give myself 4 marks for that. Tick. X, Y, done.